Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide to biomolecules. Buckle up, because in just 3 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know for your NEET exam. Let's get started. So, what exactly are biomolecules? Simply put, they're the organic compounds that make up living organisms. They're super important for NEET because you'll get direct questions on their structure and function. This chapter has a high weightage, so pay close attention. Let's start with carbohydrates. These are your body's primary source of energy. Think of them as fuel for your cells. They come in different forms: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Remember examples like glucose, sucrose, and starch. These are key for NEET. Now, let's talk about the glycosidic bond. It's essentially a covalent bond that holds carbohydrate molecules together. Think of it as the glue that links simple sugars to form larger carbohydrates. This is essential for building complex carbs like starch and cellulose. Next up, we have proteins. These are the workhorses of the cell. They perform a ton of different functions. They're made of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. Remember the 4 levels of protein structure: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Each is important for function. Time for a key formula, the peptide bond formula. It's the chemical bond formed between 2 amino acids. When the carboxyl group of one amino acid reacts with the amino group of another, water is released. This is how proteins are built. Now, let's move on to lipids. These are essential for energy storage and insulation. They're hydrophobic, meaning they don't dissolve in water. Think of fats, oils, and phospholipids. Remember that phospholipids are crucial components of cell membranes. Here's another important formula, the iodine number. This tells you how many double bonds are present in fats and oils. A higher iodine number means more unsaturation. It's a good indicator of the type of lipid you're dealing with. Here's a key point to remember for your exam. Many students get confused between reducing and non-reducing sugars. Reducing sugars can reduce other substances, while non-reducing sugars can't. Examiners love to test you on this difference, so make sure you understand it. Let's try a quick example question. Which of the following is a reducing sugar: sucrose, glucose, cellulose, or starch? The answer is glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide and a reducing sugar. Always remember to eliminate options. Now, let's see how this applies in the real world. Think about digestion. Enzymes, which are proteins, break down the food you eat. Carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids are all broken down into smaller molecules that your body can absorb. It's all connected. Okay, here are some quick exam tips. First, memorize the structures of common monosaccharides. Second, understand the different levels of protein structure. And third, practice identifying different types of lipids. This will help you ace your NEET exam. So, to summarize, carbohydrates provide energy, proteins perform various cellular functions, and nucleic acids store genetic information. These are the key takeaways you need to remember for your exam. And remember, all of this, AI notes, doubt solving, practice tests for biomolecules, is free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start free today. Right pointing arrow synapse.omups.in. Master biomolecules for NEET. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.